Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 12 September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous question. Our first question was आपका मित्र मोबाइल चैटबॉट फॉर यूजी कोर्स लॉन्च्ड इन व्हिच स्टेट? पंजाब, हरियाणा, ऑप्शन सी उड़ीसा, ऑप्शन डी बिहार. The correct answer here is Haryana. Option B is correct here. Recently, Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar has launched educational WhatsApp chatbot आपका मित्र for undergraduate course for UG course. Okay. Haryana is in news. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. As per you know, Chief Minister is Manohar Lal Khattar and Governor is Satyanarayan Arya. Satyanarayan Arya is the Governor of Haryana. Okay. Our second question was Anil Jain became new president of which association? AITA, FIFA, DRDO, option D AIMS. The correct answer here is AITA. Option A is correct here. All India Tennis Association. Anil Jain became new president of All India Tennis Association. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is which temple has got FCRA registration? Jagannath Temple Puri, Padmanabham Temple, option C Golden Temple Amritsar, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Golden Temple Amritsar. Option C is correct here. The Union Home Ministry has granted the FCRA registration to Gurudwara Harmandir Sahib or the Golden Temple Amritsar. Okay, here FCRA is here. FCRA stands for Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Okay, and recently Golden Temple Amritsar, you can see the image of Golden Temple here. Golden Temple Amritsar has got FCRA registration from Union Home Ministry. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who is elected as the ASCI chairman? Paresh Rawal, Subhash Kamnath, Mahesh Kumar, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Subhash Kamnath. Option B is correct here. Subhash Kamnath has been elected as chairman of Advertising Standards Councils of India. ASCI stands for Advertising Standards Councils of India. He will replace Rohit Gupta. Okay, and became the chairman of ASCI. Subhash Kamnath. Remember the name. Okay. Next question. Which railway station is recently renamed as Sri Siddharodha Swamiji Railway Station? Hyderabad, Kolkata, Hubballi, option D Chennai. The correct answer here is Hubballi. Option C is correct here. The Hubballi railway station in Karnataka. The Hubballi railway station is in Karnataka. Remember that. Will now be known as Sri Siddharodha Swamiji Railway Station. Okay, and Hubballi railway station is the headquarter of South Western Railway. Remember that it is also very much important. South Western Railway headquarter is Hubballi railway station and recently renamed as Sri Siddharodha Swamiji Railway Station. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who is appointed as member of WHO's independent panel? R.C. Sharma, Preeti Sudan, N. Yadav, option D none of these. The answer here is Preeti Sudan. Option B is correct here. Recently, Preeti Sudan, the former health secretary, is appointed to the WHO's independent panel for pandemic preparedness and response. Okay, Preeti Sudan as one of its 11 panelists from across the world. There are 11 members in the panel and Preeti Sudan from India is also a member of the WHO's independence panel. Okay, you can see the image of Preeti Sudan here. Okay, next question. Who has launched central bank digital currency testing platform? MasterCard, RuPay, Visa, Paytm. The correct answer here is MasterCard. Option A is correct here. Recently, MasterCard has launched central bank digital currencies testing platform. Okay, so correct answer here is MasterCard. The CEO of Mastercard is Ajay Banga. Ajay Banga is the CEO of Mastercard, and the headquarters of the Mastercard is situated in New York, US. In New York, US, headquarters is situated. Okay. Next question. CRISIL has projected India's GDP growth how much percentage in financial year 2021? -6%, -8%, -9%, option D -10%. The correct answer here is -9%. Option C is correct here. CRISIL had projected India's GDP rate at -9% for the financial year 2020 and 21. Also, it predicts that the financial year 2022, CRISIL had projected India's GDP to grow at 10%. In 2022, it is grew to 10%, but in financial year 2021, it is -9% contraction. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Conclave on school education in 21st century begun. Who addressed the conclave? Narendra Modi, Nitin Gadkari, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, option D Amit Shah. The correct answer here is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Option A is correct here. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently addressed the 2 days conclave school education in 21st century. Okay, and the 2 days conclave on school education in 21st century has started virtually. The conclave has been organized by Ministry of Education. Okay, and who is the education minister of our India now? Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank is the education minister of our India. Okay, and this program, the 2 days conclave, is in the part of Shiksha Parv. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. The first batch of how many Rafale fighter jet was formally induced into the Indian Air Force, IAF? 3, 4, 5, 7. The correct answer here is 5. Option C is correct here. The first batch of 5 Rafale fighter jets was formally inducted into the Indian Air Force on 10 September. It is inducted on 10 September at the airport station in Ambala Airport Station. Okay, the first Rafale aircraft had arrived from France on 27 July. It is arrived to India on 27 July, but it is formally inducted to Indian Air Force on 10 September. Okay, and Rajnath Singh is our defense minister of our India. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which bank has introduced a new product, iStartup 2.0? ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, PNB, option D Karnataka Bank. The correct answer here is ICICI Bank. Option A is correct here. Recently, ICICI Bank has launched a new product named iStartup 2.0 to cater to the banking needs. Okay, and the headquarters of the ICICI Bank is situated in Mumbai, and the MD and CEO of ICICI Bank is Sandeep Baxi. Sandeep Baxi is the MD and CEO of ICICI Bank. Okay. Question number 10. Who has launched Sarod ports for dispute maritime sector? Prakash Javadekar, Mansukh Mandavia, Rajnath Singh, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Mansukh Mandavia. Option B is correct here. Mansukh Mandavia, the shipping minister, has launched a dispute redressal mechanism named Sarod Ports. Remember the name is Sarod Ports, and it is launched by Mansukh Mandavia, the shipping minister. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss the answer in our upcoming session. Okay, our first question is, who became new chairman of NST, National School of Drama? Okay, our second question is, South India's first Kisan Rail started from which state? Please try to answer more and more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. If you like the session, then you can share in your educational related group. And those who first visit educational wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.